Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I have this amazing unboxing from Bella Sephina Diamond Art Kits. Oh my gosh. This is Sandy, and she says, calm your mind, soothe your soul, create your joy. This box is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful. It says paint your world beautiful on the back. It has a rewards program. Join the VIP club. Stress and anxiety paint or relieve stress and anxiety and paint with diamonds. I'm absolutely ecstatic about this. This is what I picked. It's called April Showers for my event, Rain to Rainbows 2025. And it's a square 60 by 60 centimeters. And it has a little sticker on the end of your box. So when you store it horizontally, you are good to go. So I am going to open this and pull this out. Okay. Absolutely beautiful. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. We're going to pull this out of here and see what we've got. All right, I'm going to go ahead and throw that away because I'm going to work on this tonight. I'm going to hit it up. All right, I will let you know I opened this on a live just to show the inventory sheet and everything like that. So this came inside, wrapped around. And this is 70 colors, square. They have the DMC on here, how many bags you're supposed to have. This is gorgeous. So this is square resin. It's got 3 ABs and 2 soul dust, which are those mica powder glitter that they have on top. Now we are going to open the kit itself. It has the serged edges. It has the thumbnail on the top left and the top right. Look at this. It's got her Bella Sephina design across, framing it. And it's poured glue. It's a clear cover. And we're going to unroll. She is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, here is the toolkit. In the toolkit, you're going to get your normal white tray, your normal 7 or 9 placer, your 3 placer, your single placer. You're going to get some baggies. Looks like a squishy, tweezers, the sharp kind, and some wax right in here. Make sure you take the plastic off the wax. The first time I ever diamond painted, I did not, and I was like, how is this supposed to even work? I felt like an idiot once I realized it. So not only do you get an inventory sheet, you also get a sticker sheet. So you can cut this part out and put it in your journal if you want. These are little stickers you can put on your bags or on your plastic containers. Absolutely beautiful. You can see here the symbols. 70 colors. So you've got your 1, 2, 3 ABs and 2 of your soul dust is what she calls it. Okay, so here are the drills. We're going to open these babies up. See what's inside. Looks like they're in numeral order. Absolutely beautiful colors. They are square. You can see here, no trash. Doesn't look like there's any tags on the end. I got them out of numeral order. Here's the colors. Absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. Can't wait to kit this up. Look at all this 70 colors in this 60 by 60. Absolutely gorgeous. This girl is ready to bloom herself into May with the April showers. Okay, got some more here. Look at those rich blues. Absolutely stunning. I love this color, 31. This is, yeah, 807. I'm going to have to off-screen put these all back in order. But they're so pretty. All the colors are beautiful. Let's see, 55. That is the 3761 here. Absolutely gorgeous colors. I know, I'm doing not a great job at this, but they're so pretty. They're so pretty. All right, there's another bag. So full, they did not, what do you call it? Skimp. They did not skimp on these colors. Okay. Let's see here. All right, so 70 and 69. These are the Soul Dust. They've got the little mica powder. Now this does have a little bit of trash in it, but it doesn't mean the drills themselves are trash. So I'm looking forward to this being my first one since she rebooted. All right, where did this go? 70 would be, all right. So this is all of the dark blue that you see here. So anytime you see this little dark blue, so it's all through the sky, around, I'm off camera, around the umbrella, and then it's down here in her dress, and over here out in these colors over here. And then 69 is the little ziggles, the little wiggly ziggly lines. Looks like it's just kind of scattered throughout here. I'm wondering if it's up here in the umbrella at all. Well, it's not in the umbrella. Okay, so yeah, it's just scattered wherever you see the little purples. All right, I'm dropping these. All right, now we've got 66. Of course, 68. I may have dropped 67 down the side. Who knows? Who knows? All right, there's one more here. 67 is, nope, there's 67. There's 67, 68, and 66. So these are the ABs, which have a sequence-like coating on them. Aurora Borealis is what AB stands for. This goes a lot with this down here in this outer area over here. And then, of course, up here, some in her dress, and some up here in the sky, a lot over here in the sky. And then we've got 67, which is 820. Okay, so that's where you see this white right here. And over here, up here in the sky, and under the umbrella to help add a little pizzazz. And then we've got the 466, which is 208. And that is, oh my gosh, that's the little male wiener. Where do they come up with these symbols? So that's right out here in her dress, here in this flower. You've got some here, you've got some up here, and these purples around the umbrella. So absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to push these over here so we can look at this canvas. Like, look how beautiful this canvas is. We're going to look very closely at the symbols. Super clear. Absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, it's the poured glue. It's great and sticky. I just love this. I love the rendering. So beautiful. And her fairy wings. I cannot wait to start working on this for hashtag Rain to Rainbows 2025. Please go check out Bella. You're going to love her. I've worked on a couple of her pieces before until she did a reboot with a new factory. So I can't wait to see how this factory does. She also has like cross stitch conversion charting that she's doing, and I need to get a couple of those as well. So check them out, Bella Sephina, and the link is down below if you want to check her out as well, .com. Thank you so, so much, and I can't wait to see which one you pick to work on as your first Bella Sephina. Until next time, be blessed, take care, bye-bye.